Susan, I got a great idea for this house. Lacrosse field in the family room. What about an indoor pickleball court? Fastest growing sport in America. This hallway would be perfect for a bowling alley.
Paul, the kitchen is the trophy of the home, and a great kitchen starts with great cooking appliances. Homeowners today want a range that is the centerpiece of their dream kitchen, where they can recreate those restaurant experiences at home.
So the driving range is out too?
The driving range is out, but cooking is in, and a propane range is a great way for our clients to create those gourmet dishes at home.
I got it. The perfect thing for a foodie kitchen, a built-in cocktail dispenser.
Now we're talking.